Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Looks amazing. Alrighty, anyways. So now what you want to do, just be careful, don't touch it from the top or the bottom. But just set it down with the little arrow, with this little arrow right here. You can't really see it, but there's a little arrow right there, and there's a little arrow right there on the motherboard too. You can't really see it, but just place it on in, nice and easy. Crap. Right, let's grab it this way. Just place it in. Drop it in, nice and easy. And now just adjust it. And there we go, it just dropped into place. So now, if you have thermal paste, unfortunately I don't have any, otherwise I would, but if you do have any thermal paste, I would recommend cleaning this off and putting some new thermal paste on there, because as you can see it's kind of exposed right there. It doesn't really have any nice coverage of thermal paste, so highly recommended to clean this off, put some nice fresh thermal paste on. That can be done easily any other time, but as of right now, all you want to do now is just get your heatsink and install it. So just drop it into place. Oh wait, before we do, I haven't locked down the CPU, so just turn it 180 degrees clockwise. So just give it a little shake, make sure it's all good. It's all good, so give it a 180 turn. There we go. It's in place. And now, just grab your heat sink. Just drop it into here. Just like that. Alright, just drop your heat sink. Make sure it's not pinching anything. What the heck is it getting stuck on? Alright. Let's see. Oh, we gotta drop this corner in first. Oh. You gotta drop it. You gotta slide it in because these two little, or not this edge catches it. So make sure that goes under this little area right here. And now, get your heatsink screws. So I previously put mine in order, so make sure you put these back the way in the same spot that they were in. So I'll put mine right here. There's my 1, my 2, 3, and 4. And last but not least, number 5.